Hi, I'm Josh and today I'm going to make chicken tikka karahi, a superbly flavoured spicy Indian dish prepared using sliced onions, fresh chillies with my succulent yoghurt-free chicken tikka, and the best bit, it's base-free and ready in just over 20 minutes. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell, thanks. Okay, to begin, add the oil to a pan on medium heat along with the green cardamom pods and finely sliced onions. It looks like a lot of onions to begin with, but once softened down, these will add the most amazing flavour to the dish. Stir through the oil and cook slowly until soft and beginning to brown. Take your time and don't rush this part. This should take around 10 minutes. Soft brown onions are great, hard burnt onions aren't. When ready, stir in the garlic and ginger paste, stir through and cook out for around 30 seconds. You're looking for that initial strong bitter smell to disappear before you continue. Add the tomato puree and mix through. Just like the garlic and ginger paste, allow it to cook out for around 30 seconds to remove the bitterness. If like me you've added it straight from the tube undiluted, you can add a little water to help it mix through easier. Now it's time for the spices, so add the mixed powder, chilli, salt, coriander powder, fenugreek leaves, cumin powder, turmeric and sugar. It's so humid here today that my sugar has actually clumped together. Add a little hot water if required to keep things moving and stir through well. Allow to cook for a minute or two until the oil begins to separate. I love using these cast iron karahi pans, but of course any dish is going to cook just as well. Add a little more of the boiling water, the fresh green and red chillies, retaining some for decoration if required. Stir through and cook for a couple of minutes to infuse the flavours. Add some more of the water, turn the heat up to max and allow to reduce once again for a minute or two. Add the rest of the water, stir through and allow to reduce for 5 minutes to thicken up slightly. Now it's time to add the meat. I'm using my yoghurt-free chicken tikka along with half of the fresh coriander, then stir to incorporate. Turn down the heat to medium and continue to reduce, thickening up the sauce and condensing those great flavours until the dish is the thickness you require. Sprinkle with the fresh ginger slices, remaining coriander and any remaining chillies. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.